Hi there, look what I got today in the mail. It's a brand new something I always wanted. Webetop lithium battery portable power generator. Ain't that gonna be great? AC output, DC output, 3 USB outputs. They can charge by solar. You can get an optional solar panel that's not included with this, but it will power a fan for many hours, charge up iPads, computer. It's 100 watts. This is going to be nice. Let's open it up. Camping. There's a tent there. I just bought a tent today. I'm going to take this camping too in a couple weeks maybe. Probably. Look at this nice handy carry case or gift box. Ooh. User manual. Webetop portable generator. Isn't that nice? Whoa, it's packed very nice. Oh, it's nice. I'm glad it's small like this. It looked bigger on the internet, but I'm glad it's small because I could put it in my motorcycle saddlebag too, which I might have to do sometime. Packed very well. There's some accessories. You can charge this with your car battery. You know, plug this in and charge it up in your car or truck. There's another adapter to power items that take that kind of adapter. And a wall charger, which I'm going to charge this overnight. It charges in 6 to 8 hours, I believe. Full charge, and that will hold a charge for 1 year. So if you put it in your car or your truck like I'm going to do, just to have it for emergencies. Look at the outlets it has. 3 USBs. DC output 12 volts. That would be this. You know, you can power something like that. You know what that's like. AC output, regular plug. DC input. This is when we would want to charge it through the wall or from your car. There's a light, it's already charged somewhat, but I'm going to charge it fully. Oh, strobe for safety. SOS, is that? No, that's just a blinker. And here it has a fan to cool it. This will run many appliances up to 100 watts for hours. 42,000 milliamps. 155 watt. Solar panel input, which it didn't come with. Let's check the battery. Here's the battery checker here. Let's see. Oh, it looks already full, see? See that light? But I'm going to charge it anyway. AC output. So, like I said, I'm going to charge this overnight. And I'm going to use it tomorrow. And you know what? I bet this will even power my Hot Logic. But I could cook with Hot Logic in the tent, huh? Plug a regular outlet in. Let me go get a Hot Logic quick. Remember my Hot Logic personal portable oven that I cook with? Well, now, when this is charged, I'll plug that right into there and make myself a meal. Because this only draws 45 watts of power, and this puts down 100 watts. So anyway, this is how we're going to charge it up. Although it says it's charged, I'm going to read these directions. And I'm going to plug this in. Anyway, make sure it's charged. And tomorrow, it's nighttime right now. Believe that? Believe I'm up this late? Put this in here. Plug this in here. And it's going to charge. See that blinking light? I don't know how good you can see that, but that's cool. I like it. multifunction power generator. Here, look at the numbers right there, so you can see them. So handy, so small. I like it. I wanted one for a long time. Okay, read the directions, charge it up, go to sleep, and tomorrow I might cook in my new tent with my Hot Logic. Okay? You can charge your phones, you can do anything. It will run a fan for many hours. I'll put a link down there, you can see all the features it has, because it does a lot for a lot of hours. You also have a bigger one too, but this is all I need for now. I will keep it in my truck. If I take the bike, I'll put it in the saddlebag. If I go camping, I'll bring it. Webetop, check them out. Okay, it's the next morning. I charged this. It was pretty much fully charged when I received it. I could tell by those indicator lights. And I read the instructions more, and I found out so many more uses for it. Let me show you one thing. I have this big table fan. Look how big this is. Just for an example, you know. Plug this in here. And this also looks like it can be used for those other kind of plugs, like European maybe. But I would double check, but it has round and square like United States. Plug that in. Push this for AC output. You hear that fan go on? You hear it beep anyway? Listen. Low. Medium. High. And we got that gadget going. So that powers that. And I could also charge my phone at the same time. And where's my phone? Hand me my phone over there. Isn't that cool? I know some people are still without power. And even if you have a external generator somewhere, you could use this in your bedroom or anywhere in the house. This comes in handy for that as well when the power goes out. To charge your phone or to have a radio going or whatever you need power for. Let me plug in my phone. USB. Lit up, charging. We got an iPad over here. Charge that as well at the same time. Okay. Well, here I would just use the USB, so you can take that out of your adapter. Plug that in. Still have one more USB and 3 of these kind outputs. Charging. So we got a phone, an iPad, a fan. But you know what? I'm also gonna, like I said yesterday, it will power the Hot Logic. I have things to do. I have to cut my grass. I have to do a few things, and I'm gonna heat up this leftover pizza. I'm gonna wrap this in foil. Put it in my Hot Logic and cook outside on the deck just to show you that it can be done outside or wherever you are. Okay? Let me start unhooking these things because I want to take it outside. Plus, I'm going to read you some more things about it. Let's see. So that's the Webetop multifunction power generator. This is also good. I've read that people use these that have CPAP machines, you know, because if the power goes out while you're sleeping at night and you have one of those machines, it's not good. And they say it lasts all night, the CPAP machine, charged. You could blow up your air mattress for camping. You could use one of those car tire inflators that take power. You know, balls for the beach, lantern, it'll run for so many hours. Small car refrigerator. You ever see those little coolers for cars and boats and trucks? There's just so many. So you got to check the link down there. Radio, outdoor lights. Maybe you have a place where you don't have an outlet and you want to put lights up for a party or whatever. Plug them in there. Get the patio lights going. Okay, I'm going to take my Hot Logic out to the deck and take this with me. I'm going to cook pizza outside with the Webetop portable power plant. I'll meet you outside. You have a Hot Logic Mini? I know you do. This is a personal portable oven. put my pizza in there. Pull out the plug. Plug it into my Webetop. Press, oh, I turned the light on. Eee. Press AC output. That lights up. And I'm gonna cut my grass. And I'm gonna check back in about an hour and see if it's done, okay? This just shows you I can do this in my car, do this anywhere. No electricity, just this. All right, I'll be back for pizza. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half, 2 hours. It's warm. Pizza for lunch, cooked outside. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, don't burn me. All right, you can turn it off like this, see? Or just unplug it. I always wanted something like this, and this is a great invention. I'm so glad I got it. Love the hot logic too. You know that. Woo, it's hot, okay. I might come inside and eat because the air conditioning, but look. Ooh, it's hot. See steam? Perfect. I'm going to put a link in the description for Webetop. Check out all the features it has. I really like it. And thanks for watching. I'm going to enjoy my outside made pizza. Electricity free. Talk to you soon. See ya.